Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can connect your Toshiba air conditioner to Wi-Fi so that it will be very easy for you to basically control your AC with the help of your smartphone. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply download and install this application, which is called Toshiba Home AC Control application. So depending on your region and the model, some of the North American units use the Toshiba AC NA application instead. So you need to simply install the application, which is recommended in your user manual. Afterwards, you just have to do nothing but to just simply turn your AC on. So when the AC is turned on, you need to take a look at on top of its remote, and then you just have to simply press the Wi-Fi button in order to basically put your AC unit into the pairing mode. Now when it is in the pairing mode, you just have to then open the Toshiba mobile application on your phone, then press this particular plus icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, among the given electronic devices, you just have to simply select AC, and after selecting AC, you need to simply follow further on screen instructions. When prompted, make sure that you enter your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi password and wait for the setup to complete. Finally, when the Wi-Fi light stops blinking on top of your AC and when it remains solid, it simply means that the connection is completed. So that's how you can basically do it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.